I know you're here because you are managing your client's social media, but you are receiving low views. No one is engaging in your stock and you don't know what to do. That's why on this video, I'm gonna show to you or share with you what are the things that you need to know and what are the things that you're doing it wrong and how to fix it. But before we start, I'm gonna show to you some of the results that I did for my clients para naman maniwala kayo na totoo ba tong sinasabi ni Shara. Here are some screenshots of the content that I did for my client that I just closed a deal last month. Just a note, this is my first time to handle healthcare industry. That's why having a system is very important because most of the social media managers right now, reason why they are stuck and reason why they are receiving low views is because they don't have a system na fina-follow or they don't have the process. That's why let's start with these 5 things that you're doing wrong and how to fix it. First, you are just posting and not strategizing. So this is one of the things that separates BA from SMM because social media managers should strategize the content before posting it. Meaning, all of the content that we are posting, it should have the goal behind it. That's why we have the content pillars. If you guys don't know how to strategize the content, I would suggest watch this video right here where I talk all about content strategizing. But again, in strategizing the content, kailangan each content that you are posting may goal. So, ano ba yung social media goals ni client? For example, my client's goal is to increase the follower. So, kailangan you post content that will make people follow the client. So, ano yung mga content na yon? And that's why you need to figure those out. Kasi, there are a lot of goals in social media. Increase the views, increase followers, increase engagement, increase brand awareness. So, if these 4 are all social media goals of your client, kailangan you create content specifically created to these 4 goals because on each goal, may specific content din dyan. Again, you have to have that strategy before posting. Hindi yung pupunta ka lang kay ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT na, hey, can you help me create content idea for my client? Because I'm going to post it today. And you will just edit it through Canva and post it. That's it. No. Reason why it is not working to your client because wala kang strategy. That's why I hope right now that you know that we need to strategize the content. You are not just posting. You are strategizing and you are posting. Sino yung guilty dyan? Let me know in the comment section. And another thing that I want to add in just posting is that if you guys are going to create a content, make sure that you know the status of the account. Especially if bago pa lang yung account ng client mo. So, ano ba yung mga content na dapat i-post natin kapag bago pa lang? So, we have this content funnel na 80% awareness, 15% nurture, and 5% sales. Hindi tayo dapat benta ng benta sa ating social media because hard selling is not working right now. Kaya dapat you are posting more awareness, making people aware that your business is existing. Let's say, yung account ng client mo is bago or dead account. So what I mean by dead account, yung mga dead account kasi is ginawa siya 2000 pa lang pero hindi na siya active ngayong 2025. Tapos yung last post nila is January 2025. Tapos ngayon is December 2025. So, those are the dead account na kailangan natin i-revive. So, if that's the case, kailangan we strategize content or we create content na more on awareness, more on views, more on people getting to know the business para maging aware sila that this business, that this products is existing. Hindi yung magbebenta ka kaagad and you are showing the benefits of the business. No. Kailangan kunin mo muna yung interest ng target audience na yun and start from there. Kaya again, we are not just posting. We are strategizing and then post. And you will know more about content strategy again on this video. Kaya go there after this video and learn content strategy. And the next thing that I know that you are doing, but it is wrong. You are posting too much or doing the randomly posting. Na para bang you are posting 3 times a day because your client said so. So if this is you, please stop doing that. Hindi porket madami kang pinopost, ine-expect mo na mag-grow yung account. So, kung makikita mo, madami kang pinopost pero wala namang nag-engage, walang nagla-like. It is because you are not planning the content. You are just posting and your focus is to post more content because you thought posting more is getting more followers, getting more views, getting more sales. But it is not like that. It is actually better to post like 2 times a week lang, pero pinag-iisipan mo kung ano yung content na yun. On my social media account, I only post 1 to 2 times a month. Pero it took me like an hour or 2 or minsan 2 araw pa just to finish one content. Because pinag-iisipan ko yung hook, pinag-iisipan ko all of the details that I am putting on that carousel or on that content because I am always thinking of my target audience to the point that I'm asking myself, if ako ba yung target audience, magi-stop ba ako sa scroll? My goal on my social media account is to increase my sales or to get more client. I am asking myself, if I am a business owner, which is my target audience, if I am a business owner, magi-stop ba ako sa scroll na to? At i-hire ko ba tong social media manager na to kapag nakita ko tong content na to? Because if it is not, if my answer on that content is hindi ako mag-stop at hindi ko i-hire kapag nakita ko yung content na yan, I will definitely not going to post that content. Posting more content is not good if you are creating the content without purpose or without planning it. That's why planning content ideas in a content calendar really matters kasi dun ka mag-create ng content idea, what text on screen to put, what caption to create, and everything, just the hook and every piece of the text that you are putting on that content, pinag-iisipan dapat. And dapat, it achieves the goal of the client. Kasi, again, if you're just asking ChatGPT to do that for you, which is ChatGPT don't have emotion, you're doing it all wrong. So, kailangan you align the content to your target audience. It's actually fine to seek help kay ChatGPT, but you need to use the right prompt. And actually, I am not using ChatGPT to create me content ideas or to seek help with the text on screen that I am putting for the carousel or for the reels. I am the one who's thinking of the text and then I'm just asking ChatGPT's opinion or brainstorming about it. Don't fully rely on ChatGPT or AI on your content. That's just my process. Okay? So, if something is working for you, go ahead and do it. You do you. But again, this is just my process and this is just what works for me and for my clients. And I am just sharing it to you all. And let me share to you my results or the insights that I am receiving on my social media accounts. This content is the only content that I posted nung November. I only have like 6,000 followers but I received 8,000 views from this content alone for the whole month. And then, ito naman nung October, ayan yung content na na-post ko lang on that month. Again, parang 1 to 2 times a month lang talaga ako nagpo-post. And I received 30,000 plus views on that content alone. And honestly, nakakuha ako ng 2 client or parang 3, I don't know, from that content. And then, ito naman nung September, I posted this last week of September and I received 53,000 views from that carousel alone. And ito naman nung August. So, mga isang content lang pala ako per month. Pero I am trying to make 2 times content per month for consistency. But again, hindi porket madami kang mag-post is mag-grow ka na. So, this is the proof that even you are posting 1 to 2 times content, as long as it is quality content, it is something that will give your account growth. I hope you guys remember that because that's something important, that quality is always better than quantity. And the third thing that I know that you're doing is you are using Canva templates. This is literally what I am always saying on my feed. And lagi ko talaga tong nakikita na ginagawa ng karamihan ngayon. That they are using Canva templates, which is too generic or too common. And we know naman in business, your business will stand out if you are posting or you are creating unique products, diba? And Same lang din yan sa social media. If you are posting unique content that is so branding, magi-stand out yung social media mo. My tip for you guys is don't use Canva templates because those people are using it too. So, ginagamit din yan ng iba kasi hindi lang tayo nandito nasa Pilipinas, pati mga ibang bansa ginagamit yung mga templates na yan. So, for your business or for your client's business to stand out, make sure that you create unique graphics for your client's content na branding sa kanilang business para maging aware yung audience na this content is from this business pagkakita pa lang nila ng content na yon. What I'm doing for my clients is I am creating specific templates for their business. So, ginagawan ko sila ng sariling templates para yun yung gagamitin ko all over again for all the carousels. But since most of my clients, mga reels yung ginagawa ko sa kanila because that's what's working for them. Kaya sa reels, ginagawa ko is the font or the background ng text yung binabrand ko sa kanila, and I am using that uniformly for all of the reels that I am creating for them. The most important thing here that I want you guys to learn is know how to position the business of your client in social media. Like, make sure that you create a branding for them na tatatak sa utak ng mga audience nila that this content is for their business, kasi I've been seeing a lot of content from them lately. And the fourth thing that you are doing wrong is you are doing everything. Like, literally everything. To the point na ikaw na yung VA, ikaw pa yung SMM, ikaw yung gumagawa ng website nila. If you're an SMM, just focus in social media. If you're a virtual assistant, just focus on assisting the client by inbox management, travel management, or whatever it is. I want you to focus or offer a specific service because hindi naman porket madami kang ino-offer is you will get a lot of money. I would definitely suggest if you're SMM, because offering one service is enough already for you to grow and for you to give value to your client. So ako kasi, I'm a social media manager. I focus on organic. I am not doing paid ads, and I focus on Instagram. Diba? Napaka-specific niya. I am not offering Facebook. I am not offering TikTok. I am not offering YouTube. Just Instagram. So for those business owner that need someone to handle their Instagram or to grow their Instagram, I am the right person for you. Lucky you that you're still here because I have created a 3 high-income services and in-demand services in social media that you can learn muna before other services that you can offer in social media, because social media itself is sobrang lawak niya. Ang dami mo din pwedeng i-offer. That's why watch this video kasi dyan mo matutunan yung 3 high-income services that you can learn first and offer first for your client in social media para dyan ka muna mag-focus. Because more is not better. And the last part that you are doing wrong is you don't know how to measure success. Na kapag tinanong ka ng client mo, how our Instagram doing? Tapos nagpapanik ka na at hindi mo alam ang gagawin. So, I suggest to always monitor the analytics. So, what I'm doing is I always screenshot the analytics of my client before I handle the account. So, for example, binigyan ako ni client ng kanyang password and username sa Instagram. Pagkabukas ko pa lang ng Instagram, ini-screenshot ko na yon. And then, after a month of posting to them, another screenshot ulit. So, makikita mo doon yung difference ng before and after. Wherein makikita mo yung tumaas yung views, tumaas yung engagement, tumaas yung followers. And of course, makikita mo naman on each content how it performs. Kaya what I suggest is always monitor the analytics and the content insights of post weekly, or kahit naman hindi weekly, or mga 2 times a month. I-analyze nyo always, tingnan nyo how it performs, and then if needed, i-adjust nyo yung strategy nyo for the next month. And honestly, there's a lot of things that beginner social media manager doing it all wrong. And if you guys want someone to guide you, I have one-on-one coaching session that I am offering, wherein dun ko malalaman kung saan mo talaga kailangan ng improvement, at dun kita tutulungan at dun kita i-guide, especially the strategizing. So if you want to know more about my one-on-one coaching session, I will link it below, and see you on my next video.